The Samjhauta probe, will we ever know the truth? So far, the NIA has in fact not altered its charge sheet in court. It has stuck to its hypothesis, to its working theory that these were right-wing Hindus, including Aseema Nand, who has been charge sheeted in this case, who were responsible for the blast. But simultaneously, the NIA chief has given comments earlier talking about how he's still pursuing a Lashkar dimension and he's waiting for intelligence to come back from the United States of America. However, a testimony by a police officer who actually probed this particular blast has added a brand new dimension to this entire debate. We have with us in the studio V.N. Rai. He's the former chief of the SIT that in Haryana that was probing the Samjhauta blast, and we'll be talking to him in just a moment. The panel will be reacting to his comments once they've heard him. GVL Narasimha Rao of the BJP is with us. Ajoy Kumar of the Congress is with us. Rakesh Sinha, professor and RSS ideologue, is with us, and Brinda Grover, a well-known advocate and एक्टिविस्ट इज ऑल्सो विद अस. आपसे शुरू करती हूँ वी एन राय जी. आपने ये भी कहा कि एक चैनल पे आपने अपना इंटरव्यू दिया, उस चैनल ने आपका इंटरव्यू नहीं लगाया. दिस शो इज लाइव, आपकी कोई सेंसरशिप नहीं होगी. आप जो बोलेंगे इट विल गो आउट विदाउट अ वर्ड चेंज, बट ऑफ कोर्स द पैनल विल हैव द राइट टू डिबेट एंड आर्ग्यू अबाउट व्हाट यू सेड. अगर आप हमें बताना चाहें, क्योंकि आपने ये भी कहा है कि पहले आपको भी लगा पहले कि इसमें पाकिस्तान और लश्कर का हाथ हो सकता है. यू ऑल्सो वेंट डाउन दैट रूट. आपने ये भी कहा कि कांग्रेस की उस समय की जो सरकार थी वो भी चाहती थी एक तरह से कि यही निकल के आएगा, या सोचती थी यही निकल के आएगा, लेकिन ये निकल के नहीं आया. एक जो फॉर्मर आरएसएस के प्रचारक थे, मैं फॉर्मर कह रही हूं उनको क्योंकि जब ये हुआ तो वो आरएसएस के साथ नहीं थे, सुशील जोशी, उनका नाम बार बार इसमें आया. सो इफ यू कैन जस्ट रिकैप कि उस समय सुनील जोशी, आई बेग योर पार्डन, उस समय क्या हुआ और क्या पता लगा आपको?
मतलब जहाँ तक उस चैनल की कंट्रोवर्सी का सवाल है, तो चैनल तो मुझे लगा कि दरअसल मैंने तो उस चैनल का नाम भी नहीं सुना था. उनसे पूछा ही मैंने, भाई आप रेगुलर चैनल है? बोले हम रेगुलर चैनल है. फिर उन्होंने थोड़ा अपना परिचय वगैरह भी दिया और फिर उन्होंने अपनी टीम भी भेजी और 20-25 मिनट उन्होंने लगाया भी. लेकिन जब मैं उनका शो देखने लगा तो मेरी समझ में आया कि उनका तो स्क्रिप्ट कोई लिखा हुआ है और उस लिखे स्क्रिप्ट को ही वो परसू कर रहे थे. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने हमारे एक टीम मेंबर को, भारती अरोड़ा को बुलाया हुआ था. उनसे एक सेंटेंस उन्होंने सिमी कहलवा लिया, एक किसी और क्वेश्चन के आंसर में इंदौर कहलवा लिया, किसी और क्वेश्चन के आंसर में वी वर ऑन द राइट पाथ कहलवा लिया, और तीनों जोड़ दिया. सिमी, इंदौर, राइट पाथ, और साहब उसके बाद एमएचए ने हमसे स्नैच कर लिया ये केस और स्नैच करके एनआईए को दे दिया और एनआईए ने बिल्कुल जो है अपोजिट थ्योरी शुरू कर दी. इस तरीके का उन्होंने कुछ बिल्डअप किया.
चलिए चैनल को छोड़िए. On this channel you're uncensored. The panel is listening to you. Sunil Joshi, whom you found at the entire heart of this controversy, उसके बारे में आप बताइए. एंड आप ये भी बताइए how you did investigate the Pakistan angle, पर आपको उसमें कोई कॉन्क्रीट सबूत नहीं मिले.
देखिए, नटशेल में क्या है कि हम बहुत लकी थे. जब ये ब्लास्ट हुआ है तो हमको एक इंटैक्ट डिवाइस मिल गया. जी. जो डिवाइसेस यूज किए गए थे, these were incendiary devices.
Yes.
Essentially incendiary devices with very small traces of explosives were there.
Yes.
Explosives were there to give effect,
जी.
explosion, so that more fire is caused. And at that point of time, if I remember correctly, within few days, either the foreign ministers were to meet of the two countries,
the foreign ministers,
or the
yes.
Okay. So in that case, everybody thought that this is the old trick of Pakistan to derail the talks.
जी.
And Simi at that time was very much in focus.
Yes.
Many of their operatives were captured and all those things, they were in jail.
Yes.
So we also thought, initially everybody thought like that only. And I think the entire 2007, the MHA, whenever they wanted to know the progress, they were expecting that we will point out some
Pakistan angle. But you found this man called Sunil Joshi, who used to be with the RSS. Then Sunil Joshi gets murdered later this year. It's a kind of mystery murder. Nobody knows what happens. But आपने एक statement दिया है, I'm 100% sure that Sunil Joshi was involved.
Everybody is sure now.
How can you be 100% sure?
You have to be 100% sure. How
So what was the proof that you found?
No, I will tell you, we proved three things.
Yes.
We proved, number one, that the epicenter is Indore.
Yes.
In fact, that was the most difficult
क्योंकि
part.
जो सूटकेस था जिसमें एक्सप्लोसिव्स थे वो इंदौर की एक दुकान
जो सारे ही सामान थे, जो पूरा डिवाइस बना हुआ था, जो हमें इंटैक्ट मिला, उसको हमने डिसमेंटल किया. डिसमेंटल करके हमने जो है सारी चीजें, मार्केट पूरा का पूरा हिंदुस्तान का खंगाला और फिर हम इंदौर पहुंचते हैं, उस दुकान में पहुंचते हैं जहाँ सूटकेस मिलता है।
जी,
तो ये कि इस तरह से, और विद इन ए किलोमीटर ऑफ
Yes.
दैट शॉप
Yes.
वी डिस्कवर्ड अदर शॉप्स फ्रॉम वेयर अदर आइटम्स आर प्रोक्योर्ड। तो एक तरह से एपी सेंटर वहाँ पे बन जाता है।
जी,
इंदौर उस समय सिमी का भी एपी सेंटर था, उनका भी था, हिंदुत्व का भी लोग जो है एक्टिव जो लोग थे वो भी वहाँ पे
Okay.
काम कर रहे थे। और मुझे कहना चाहिए कि उस समय हमें इंदौर पुलिस से कोई बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेशन मिला नहीं, सही बात है। हमने 5-7 दिन वहाँ पे लगाए थे, लेकिन जैसा कोऑपरेशन मिलना चाहिए था नहीं मिला। और हमें प्राइवेटली बाकी पुलिस वालों ने बताया कि आपको मिलेगा भी नहीं, और फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस।
what is the obvious reason?
obvious
You're
reason ये-
implying that there was a BJP government in power in Madhya Pradesh, so you did not get cooperation.
I don't know whether that was the case, but they were trying not to be.
Okay, so you find the epicenter in Indore, which you say is also a Simi base, also a Hindutva group's base.
You're right.
How do you narrow it down to Sunil Joshi?
No, just listen to me. This is the one thing that we established.
Okay.
Thereafter, there were 2 young boys
Yes.
in that shop
Yes.
who were the salesmen.
Yes.
So we started, these are the 2 boys who had handled the whole transaction. They had sold the suitcases. Then in the evening, those 2 boys who had actually come and procured those suitcases, they came back to take it back after
Okay.
the
Okay.
cloth was stitched over it.
Okay.
और उसके बाद ये जो 2 लड़के थे, इनमें से ये एक खोजा मुस्लिम, सॉरी, एक बोहरा मुस्लिम की शॉप थी,
जी,
और ये 2 जो लड़के थे, इनमें से एक हिंदू था, एक मुस्लिम था। और उनसे हमने काफ़ी डिटेल में बात की। हमने उनसे पूछा भाई कि ये लोकल लोग थे? उन्होंने कहा लोकल लोग थे, 100% लोकल थे। क्या ये इंदौर के लोग थे? इंदौर के लोग थे। और हमने उनसे फिर 1-2 दिन में जब कॉन्फिडेंस में ले लिया उनको, तो उन्होंने हमें ये भी कन्फाइड किया कि ये दोनों हिंदू थे जो आए थे। भाई कैसे आप बता सकते? बोले नहीं, वो बोलने से हमारी समझ में आ जाता है कि उनका बैकग्राउंड मुस्लिम है कि हिंदू है। लेकिन ऐसे पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं चलती कि आपने हिंदू कह दिया और हमने मान लिया। तो फिर हमने वहाँ पे और करना शुरू किया,
जी,
कौन से हिंदू ग्रुप्स एक्टिव हैं, कौन से लड़के एक्टिव हैं, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। और ये सब करते कराते अभी हम ब्लाइंड ही चल रहे हैं। अभी सुनील जोशी इज नॉट अपीयर्ड।
yes,
इनफैक्ट सुनील जोशी का अपीयरेंस होता है उसके मर्डर के बाद होता है। जब उसका एक बार मर्डर हो गया सुनील जोशी का, फिर सुनील जोशी का भी नाम आ रहा है, मतलब जो लिस्टें बनाई जा रही हैं, जो एक्टिव लोग हैं, उनमें सबके नाम आ रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह। बट सुनील जोशी इज नॉट टू बी फाउंड।
he's gone underground.
हाँ, बट जब उसका एक बार मर्डर होता है, तो मर्डर होने के बाद जो ग्रेप वाइन है और जो तमाम बातचीत होती है और तमाम लोगों से बातचीत होती है, उसमें लगता है कि साहब ये सुनील जोशी इसमें मेन आदमी होगा। और 2 जो उसके मेन आदमी जो मर्डर करने वाले, कुछ सांगरे और आंगरे,
Yes.
वो दोनों गायब हो जाते हैं। वो आज तक भी गायब हैं,
जी,
NIA भी उनको नहीं पकड़ पाया।
जी,
तो धीरे धीरे इस तरीके से हम नैरो डाउन होते हैं। और ये 2007 के बाद ये 2008 आ जाता है। अगला जो ब्रेक थ्रू है हमारा वो होता है जब मालेगांव 2 होता है। और मालेगांव 2 के समय जो ATS था महाराष्ट्र का, आपको याद होगा, ATS वॉज हेडेड बाई दैट टाइम इट वॉज हेडेड बाई हेमंत करकरे। तो हेमंत करकरे से हमारा डिटेल में बात हुआ। उनका भी किस्मत अच्छी थी, जैसे हमारी किस्मत अच्छी थी, हमको एक अटैची केस मिल गया, वैसे उनका भी किस्मत अच्छी थी, उनको मोटरसाइकिल मिल गया। और उस मोटरसाइकिल से वो फिर प्रज्ञा सिंह ठाकुर तक जाते हैं और तमाम लोगों का उनके नाम आते हैं। उनसे हमारा डिटेल में बात हुई थी, और जो हमारी डिटेल में बात हुई, उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ ये चीज़ें कंफर्म हो रही हैं, सुनील जोशी भी कंफर्म हो रहा है, ये लोग भी कंफर्म हो रहे हैं।
एक मिनट राकेश जी, एक मिनट जी। Before I open it up, Mr. Rai, one thing I do have to ask you is कि since then आप देखेंगे, आप साध्वी प्रज्ञा is probably going to get bail, the NIA is not opposing it. समझौता में 19 witnesses have turned hostile. उसमें जो एक कर्नल पुरोहित हैं, वो he keeps writing letters, he's written a letter to the defense minister where he actually इस साल उन्होंने बोला है कि मैं तो I had infiltrated, I was a military intelligence officer and my report on Simi and ISI had clear mention of the hand of the Lashkar in Samjhauta blast. How were you able to rule out the Lashkar hand? Just quickly before I want the panel to react to what you said so far.
देखो, rule out is a different thing. I mean, rule
Or
out,
how did you assert this comment that you just made? I'm 100% sure. सब जानते हैं, मैं ही क्यों, सब जानते हैं सुनील जोशी was at the heart of this. क्योंकि इसमें असीमानंद का भी नाम है और अभी भी है NIA चार्जशीट।
इसके बाद तमाम लोग पकड़े गए ना
जी।
जब महाराष्ट्र ATS ने तमाम लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया, उसके बाद ये 2008 की बात है
जी,
2009 की बात है। इसके बाद फिर ये कि लोग, बहुत से लोग एब्सकॉन्ड कर रहे थे, उनके फिर रेड होने शुरू होते थे। देखिए 2009 में मॉनिटरिंग हमने केस की CBI को दे दी थी, क्योंकि CBI के पास और कई पैरेलल केसेस ऑलरेडी थे।
जी,
तो वो मॉनिटरिंग देने के बाद, अच्छा दूसरा और मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि क्यों नहीं इन्वॉल्व थे। आपको याद होगा एक 2007 में एक दूसरा केस हुआ था, मक्का मस्जिद हैदराबाद का केस।
yes,
हैदराबाद का केस जो है, उसके सिग्नेचर्स बिल्कुल वही थे जो हमारे समझौता एक्सप्रेस के थे। इवन अजमेर शरीफ के भी सिग्नेचर्स वही थे। मैं सिग्नेचर कह
So
रहा
you're
हूँ।
saying, what do you mean by signature?
सिग्नेचर मतलब कि एग्जैक्टली उसी ग्रुप ने
So
ये
you're
काम
saying
किया।
जिसने समझौता किया, they're also
They
responsible
are
for
responsible.
Makkah Masjid and Ajmer.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And that is in fact what the NIA charge sheet also suggests, जो अभी तक बदली नहीं गई. Mr. Rai, you know, you've given your account and we'll bring you back in. I just want initial reactions to what you've said so far. I'll start with you, GVL Narasimha Rao. Mr. Rao, the fact is that your party has attacked the Congress for politicizing terror, especially when it comes to the Ishrat Jahan case. But here the fact that you actually have the police officer who probed Samjhauta saying that he too went on the Lashkar trail. He did not find anything. That he believes that a man who was once with the RSS, Sunil Joshi, who is then mysteriously murdered, is at the heart of this. That the NIA charge sheet continues to talk about, so far remains unaltered, even though we hear that the NIA chief is pursuing the Lashkar lead. Something that the police officer in question says he tried and hit a dead end. This has nothing to do with Lashkar. How does this for you change the debate around saffron terror, as the nomenclature has come to be called?
I think the whole thing is nothing but a conspiracy to defame the entire Hindu community.
By whom?
An attempt by
conspiracy
people
by
who,
whom? Because the NIA charge sheet also says what Mr. Rai is saying. Currently, so far.
Yes. Can I complete this?
Yes, please.
Can I complete my statement?
Yes, please.
I think this was largely, this conspiracy was hatched by the Congress party and a number of people who were officers in the ministry, Home Ministry at that time. A number of police officers. We have seen how an SIT chief in Ishrat Jahan case became a party to the entire operation, how he actually wanted to carry out a witch hunt against political rivals of the Congress party. The whole country knows this. This has now become a very favorite topic. How the Congress party subverted the police, how they subverted institutions like NIA, how they did not take any evidence that was available on record to show that LET was sponsoring this attack. Please complete. Can I?
Sir, just a clarification, interjection.
No,
the NIA has not altered its charge sheet thus far.
I am speaking. Fine, that's okay, but my statements do not change because of that. I'm saying people of this country would rather believe UN Sanctions Committee report, US Treasury Department inquiry, where they were not vested interest in our investigations into Samjhauta blast. And I'll read a statement to you from the UN Sanctions Committee. This clearly talks about Arif Kasmani is the chief coordinator of Lashkar-e-Taiba's dealings.
Yes.
He has worked with LET to facilitate terrorist attacks and including the 2006 July train bombings in Mumbai and the February 2007 Samjhauta Express bombing in Panipat, India.
Yes.
This is UN Sanctions Committee report. And it further says Kasmani conducted the fundraising activities and utilized money that he received from Dawood Abraham to facilitate the train bombings.
Okay.
I think I do not have any trust in a number of these so-called investigating officers who acted as conduits for the Congress party.
How can you make a comment like that about a police officer who retired as director of the National Police Academy in Hyderabad, by the way? Just to make it clear.
No, there is enough evidence to show. In the Ishrat Jahan case, the SIT officer had refused to take on record evidence that was made available as in the form of forensic evidence by a group of experts.
If you would like to just come in, then
I said I am not interested in going by.
Okay, sir, let others speak. Just a quick response there, and I want to get the others in.
No, I don't think I am at liberty to talk as wild as this gentleman is talking. He must be representing a party and he has to...
But he's raising Kasmani, he's raising...
I didn't know that UN Secretary General supervises a criminal investigation going on in India. Is it the job of UN to supervise a criminal investigation going on in India? It is not part of our investigation. For the first time I am hearing all this.
Barkha, when you started introduction,
yes.
I was little excited that I would get something new from him. But he has come with an old script. There is nothing new.
But if you call it a script, this is also the NIA charge sheet. They remind all of you, currently, this is the NIA charge sheet.
No, let me come.
Yes.
Now his interview with you vindicates that why that channel has censored his interview. There is nothing new.
Why should anyone be censored,
No,
sir?
there is nothing new.
Firstly, no one should be censored.
I think more than that, a Delhi-based magazine, I will not take his name, that has written more than him. But there are three things here. NIA has not changed its charge sheet, you are saying. This means government is not pressurizing. NIA is doing its own
But
job.
Mr. Rao is
I am
saying that
giving
the
one
NIA is
example.
lying, Mr. Rai is
Let
lying.
me give example. Because Pragya Thakur's name came in between. Pragya Thakur 2008 to 2014, it was a UPA government, and NIA was under the UPA Home Minister.
Yes.
Not a single charge, substantive charge was put into the court. There is no trial. A woman in
let's talk about
in her
Samjhauta.
earliest, no, I am
Because we are
coming,
talking only
I'm
about
coming, no,
Samjhauta right
Barka,
now.
because he linked
He
everything.
linked the two.
No,
Okay.
I am just saying,
Okay.
a woman, because she is the daughter of a Thakur, she is a daughter of a Hindu, so any allegation,
ये कहाँ से?
no,
You are
no,
making
this
a
is,
wild connection
no,
here.
this is the truth. Had she been a Muslim, no police officer could have led such a charge.
100 boys were
No.
100 boys
No,
were rounded up
I'm
in
telling you,
Hyderabad in Makkah
if-
Masjid wrongly,
if-
sir.
if-
9 Muslims
I-
were
I
acquitted
think-
in
I
Malegaon
think-
2006.
I
What
just-
do you mean?
I
अब
just
Muslims
said,
are not sentenced to jail. आप देखिए Malegaon 2006 क्या हुआ है?
You know this government, what government has directed to the police? No Muslim
Barka.
should be arrested.
Okay.
Just no Muslim should be arrested.
Okay,
No,
let
this
Ajoy
is the
come
first
in.
time. No,
Let Ajoy and
I'm
Brinda come in
finishing.
now. Huh.
No Muslim should be arrested
Barka.
because there is a right or there is something.
Okay, I just want to say for the
last
record.
sentence.
Okay, last sentence.
Last
Okay.
sentence.
Okay.
Last sentence. As far as Samjhauta is, where
Barka.
Sunil Joshi's name come? I don't think that Sunil Joshi is any. It is a job of the NIA to probe.
Okay,
but you are proving that Sunil Joshi is epicenter. Indore is epicenter. If terrorism will take place, some place will
Okay,
be
okay.
epicenter.
Can I the others now? Now all three of you have had your say. Ajoy first, then Brinda. Ajoy, quickly go ahead.
Barka, first of all, you see the way Mr. Rao and Mr. Rakesh Sinha attacks the integrity of officers who have nothing to do with politics. And the other issue is this Amar Chitra Katha kind of studies. UN is researching. The Madeleine Albright also said that there were certain the American government said Mr. Modi was involved in the Gujarat riots.
Arre,
That they will not
terrorism
quote.
is a global
But
phenomenon.
let's go by evidence. Let's go
Terri-
purely by
don't-
evidence.
don't see terrorism in
One second,
isolation.
let me
Ajay
finish, my
Kumar ji,
friend. Can I
don't see
finish?
terrorism in isolation.
Can I finish, Mr. Rakesh
No, you
Sinha?
are
Because
misinterpreting.
Mr. Rakesh Sinha, the problem
What
is when
message
you
you are
were
giving to
speaking,
the
I was
world?
not speaking. Why
Okay,
don't
let
you
him
listen
speak.
for a
You
minute?
have added Hindu
Again,
terrorism in the
secondly,
vocabulary.
I don't want to be a part. I don't want to be a
Ajoy
part of your
boliye.
mutated definition of Hinduism.
Ajoy, make your
Please
point.
don't. No, first
Ajoy,
of all,
make your point. Let's
Barka,
just stick to the
their
issue at hand,
mutated
please.
definition.
Stick to the issue. Make your point. Ajoy, go ahead.
Let me stick. But when they bring the Hindus in between this, their mutated definition of Hinduism. Why are they nervous? Because Asim Anand goes right up to Mr. Indresh Kumar and Mohan Bhagwat. Why do you think Ms. Salian, who was a high integrity person, removed from Malegaon blast?
Oh, she was
why
not getting extension.
Why was
The
the
reason
Director
was
General
obvious.
of NIA given an extension? He's
Ajay
I think he's a
Kumar ji,
contract
she
worker.
was
Let me
not getting
complete.
extension,
One
so
sec,
it
let
was a
me complete,
frustration.
my friend.
It was
Can I
expression
complete?
of
Why do you
frustration.
keep talking, sir? Why do you keep talking?
Okay,
You
let's
are
not-
Why
making
do you
all
keep talking?
silly
Let me
allegations
finish. I
against
was not
Hindutva and
talking.
RSS.
Let me get
Let
Brinda
me
What
now.
Singh
Now,
was
Rakesh
doing,
ji,
now you
Rakesh
are
ji,
doing.
relax. Rakesh ji, relax.
Can
The
you
fact
give me
is, the
Mr.
fact
Rakesh
is, let me
Sinha,
speak, please.
Mr.
Ajoy,
Rakesh
Ajoy, let
Sinha,
me speak. Now, you
Mr.
made your
Rakesh
point.
Sinha,
You made your point,
Mr.
Ajoy.
Rakesh Sinha, I didn't interrupt.
Ajoy, now, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, the issue is, let me finish, Barka. The problem is whether it is Mr. Hemant Karkare who gave his life for this country, whether it's Mr. Rai of High Integrity who's got nothing to do with politics, whether the evidence is overwhelming. What do? Because the BJP RSS house of cards will collapse, because it goes right up to the top. and now they're saying, this
Okay,
Mr.
let me
Colonel
get Brinda
Pillai
now and then
is
Mr. Rao can
the biggest
respond.
You are so
nonsense
incompetent,
because
you could
military
find
intelligence
nothing.
doesn't probe. Military intelligence
Okay.
doesn't probe inside India. What nonsense do they keep creating these stories
Okay,
for?
okay, now I want to
As
give
a
Brinda.
former
Now
police
hold,
officer,
asking the
all
politicians to hold on.
evidence is clear.
Ajoy, you made your point. Ajoy, you've made your point. Brinda, the fact is that you have Mr. Rai coming out today because I guess there is a certain apprehension about the fact that the Lashkar theory has returned. Now, Mr. Rao quotes from a UN body. There is a David Headley link, just as there was in Ishrat. And we're seeing, that again, that Headley and that linkage can be drawn to Samjhauta. So why should we give up that lead? Vrinda, how do you see Mr. Rai's renewed, I would call it a renewed assertion?
As I understand it, Mr. Rai conducted an investigation.
Yes.
Whatever he's telling you today on the channel, he has not suddenly thought of it.
Yes.
He has put all this down, I imagine, in his investigating report, in the documentation that was done.
Yes.
And I think what was very important to note when he was speaking, this is how investigation is done. What he termed as good luck is actually how you look for clues.
Yeah.
One piece of evidence led him to another piece of evidence. He was not following an agenda of anybody.
Yes.
He did have some hypothesis. He thought that it was perhaps Simi and others because there were such blasts. But the evidence led him elsewhere. And therefore, as an honest investigator, he followed the clues and arrived at a conclusion of finding based on evidence and proof, on the basis of which people have been arrested and charge sheeted.
Okay.
Political parties may find it inconvenient and may want to give other attributes.
Yes.
Insofar as the UN sanction report is referred to,
Yeah.
it does not conduct forensic investigation, which has been done by Mr. Rai.
Yeah.
Secondly, David Headley gave us nothing in the Ishrat matter. He is not giving you evidence. They can continue vitiating and polluting the facts over here.
Okay.
It will not change what has been said. I just want to add two things.
Okay.
Professor Sinha said there is no new script. There should be no new script. Cases should not change with political parties coming or going. We are facing an institutional crisis in this country if police officers who are working according to rule of law, who owe allegiance to rule of law,
Okay.
are going to be targeted in this manner.
Vrinda,
I would hazard a guess.
then-
Mr. V. N. Rai may
then-
well be a
then-
practicing
then
Hindu.
Sarath
Why
Kumari-
are you bringing Hindu
then-
and Muslim into
No,
this?
no, no,
These
he's-
terror blasts.
No, when you are
these
called-
terror
no, no,
blasts
when you are
strike
calling
at
Hindu
the-
terrorism.
Professor
Contract,
Sinha,
sir.
do
You
not
have put the
interrupt
Director
anybody.
General of
You
NIA
have
on
no
a
patience.
contract.
What kind
Shame
of a
on
Hindu
you,
are
sir.
you?
No,
You
no,
do
but
not know how to listen to another person.
You are acting
What
on the
kind of
spirit of the
Hinduism do
Congress.
you
You are
practice?
acting. You are not
No,
not
please
objective.
do not
You are not
interrupt.
objective.
No,
Everybody
Mr.
in the
Sinha,
world knows.
I
know it's an agent. You are
I
BJP
know
agent,
you're
Mr. Sinha.
affiliated
You
to
are
the
part
ruling
of the
party.
same
Why
essence of
the
Why the Okay, one minute.
My
One minute.
question is, if
Do
Mr.
not
Rai,
interrupt
Rakesh
everybody.
ji.
Varna,
Okay. Everybody,
You
please
have
stop
to
it.
tell Mr. Sinha
You are
to
making
keep quiet.
serious
Professor
No,
Sinha,
Mr. Sinha,
Professor
keep
Sinha,
quiet first.
Ravinda, 1 minute. It cannot
Mr.
be
Rakesh
8
Sinha,
minutes.
you should
Ajoy,
ask
Ajoy,
him.
1 minute.
Why is
everybody
it
knows
Are
he's
8 minute,
politically
8
biased?
minute, 1 minute.
Mr.
It cannot be that the moment
This
you
is
don't
not
agree
your
with somebody,
party.
it cannot be
Officer
Rakesh ji कि आप किसी से सहमत नहीं है, ये तो कांग्रेस है, ये तो बिके हुए हैं. You have to,
No, I
we
didn't
all
say-
have to be
I
able
say-
to argue on the
I just-
issue.
When she's
We
making
have to
allegations,
stop
when
RSS
my
Voice is being
BJP
Yes,
Okay, now one at a
Ajay
time.
Kumar ji.
Ajoy ji, 1 minute.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, then
10
Mr. Rai, then
seconds.
Mr. Rao. Yeah.
When NIA is making investigation, doing investigation,
seconds.
Ajoy, hang on.
you are getting nothing. It was the UPA government till 2014. And what did you get? What
Okay,
did you
Mr.
get?
Rai, Mr.
There's
Rai.
no trial against
Why did you
Pragya
keep
Thakur in
the
the court.
DG of
8
8 years he was in jail.
Okay, 1 minute, 1
8
minute,
years
1
he was in
minute.
prison.
Why is
There is no
DG
trial.
and
But
NIA
Brinda
on
will
a
consider her
contract?
Okay, 1 minute.
Trial.
1
We know
minute.
what
You
happened
are
over
politically
there.
biased.
Rakesh ji, don't pretend that Rakesh ji, can I just say something here?
Shame on you, sir.
1 minute. Ajoy, the point is, what everyone on this panel seems to be forgetting is that the NIA currently is also saying what Mr. Rai is saying. Whether they change their mind tomorrow, we don't know. But this is the charge sheet in court. So we should not be so quick to dismiss it, Mr. Rao, as a bunch of lies. Because Mr. Rao, while you question the integrity of V.N. Rai here, NIA chief who's been given, an extension, who is pursuing the Lashkar lead so far, has not altered one word of that charge sheet. And that charge sheet does back up what Mr. Rai has said. So are you saying the NIA is also a bunch of liars, Mr. Rao?
Yeah, Barkha, I'm not giving any certificates to any police officers, but I am clearly showing that there has been a political narrative to somehow target the RSS and to defame
Ajoy,
the
let him
entire
speak.
Hindu community in this country. Let me finish. I did not interrupt anybody.
Not
Okay,
at all.
Sonia
Don't say Hindu
Gandhi
community.
shed
Ajoy, let
tears
him
for
speak.
terrorists.
Ajoy,
Sonia
let him speak.
Gandhi,
Hindu is different, sir.
please keep
Ajoy,
quiet.
let him speak.
I did
Whenever
not
they say
speak.
Hindu community, it is
Ajoy,
the
let
habit
him
of good
speak.
work which we oppose.
Ajoy, let him
Please have
speak.
patience.
You will get your turn to
Barkha,
respond.
tell them Hindu
I will have
community
to bring
keep
a
quiet.
mic down,
You're
my
radical.
mic down, and let Mr. Rao speak first. Yes.
No, Barkha, when they say
Ajoy,
Hindu
you will have
community,
your
that is when I
turn.
take offense
You
on
will
that.
have your turn, Mr.
Hindu
Mr.
when you say
Ajoy's mic down. Mr. Rao, go ahead. Go ahead. Mr. Rao, go
Yeah,
ahead.
you see, I'm saying this was the whole thing falls into a pattern because Lashkar-e-Taiba, Rahul Gandhi gave a clean certificate to Lashkar-e-Taiba in his interactions with the US interlocutors. We know this from WikiLeaks. He said Lashkar-e-Taiba is not a threat for us. Hindu groups are a threat.
Okay.
And Sonia Gandhi shedding tears for terrorists. So this, and then Shinde talking about Hindu terror on the floor of parliament.
But Mr.
This
Rao,
was a
R.K.
part
Singh
of
as
their
Home
political
Secretary also
narrative.
spoke about, R.K.
And-
Singh, your MP as Home Secretary also spoke about Hindu groups being linked to these terror blasts. May I remind you, if we are quoting old comments. And
No,
Sonia Gandhi is
Barkha,
answerable for
I
what she
think
said
it
on
was-
Batla House,
it
that's
was
no
no.
problem. But Mr. R.K. Singh is your MP.
Can I
Yes.
just quickly finish?
Yes.
I think I'm saying I'm not commenting on individual officers, but I am pointing to a larger conspiracy that was hatched by the Congress party, and there are sections among politicians, jihadi groups, there are sections among media, there are sections in the legal profession, all want the same narrative to be pursued.
Okay, Vrinda, and then Ajoy, then I have to take last comments. Okay, Vrinda, go ahead. Vrinda, go ahead.
I think what we need to focus on over here is that these kind of terror blasts, which are being deriving their inspiration and motivation from some form of religious extremism, for ordinary citizens of this country are a very severe threat and are a very serious threat to the integrity of India. If political parties are going to say this is for Hindus and not for citizens, I think that political party is going to cause severe damage to India.
Okay.
Whether there is politicization taking place elsewhere,
Barkha.
but to throw, I have not found one substantive thing that has been said in response to what Mr. Rai as an investigator has said.
Okay.
Apart from throwing mud at each other,
UN Sanctions
what are
Committee
we talking
report.
about?
I'll ask Mr. Rai
There
to
are
respond to that.
courts,
I'll ask
there are
Mr. Rai to
courts
respond to
that
that.
are.
One second, but
Can I just
Barkha.
finish?
Yeah, let her
There-
finish.
These matters
Barkha.
are pending
Ajoy, let her
in
finish.
court.
Ajoy, let Vrinda finish. Yeah.
These matters are pending in court repeatedly in the Shrit matter, and even today Mr. Rao has spoken about the SIT. First, he is very weak on facts. Secondly, that SIT investigation was monitored repeatedly and regularly by a division bench of the Gujarat High Court. Are you now going to attack the judiciary of this country?
Okay. Let
What do you
Ajoy
want
come
to
in,
do?
then
You
Rakesh
want
finish.
all
Simple
institutions
thing.
to crumble?
I have to give Mr. Rai back.
First question.
These are my closing comments.
Barkha.
Jeopardized by this
I have a
political
counter
party.
question to
Barkha.
Vrinda.
And you are repeatedly
See,
speaking
Barkha.
for Hindus, or
Vrinda
do you
ji,
represent the
Vrinda
national
ji,
political
Vrinda ji,
party?
there is a
Let me
question for
finish,
you.
yeah?
You say that some
No,
religious
Mr.
group.
Sinha, I will.
Oh, some religious.
I please, Mr. Sinha,
some
do not
religion-
interrupt.
Okay.
Let me 10 seconds.
Closing comments. Closing.
Some religious group inspiring these.
Let me finish.
religion.
No, Rakesh
My
ji.
question is that will you
First
condemn
question,
Islam
I
because it is
religious
inspiring
extremism.
ISIS?
No one is condemning
No,
any
sir, will you
religion.
condemn?
No one is condemning any religion. Why are we making this about? This is not Hindu versus
double
Islam.
standard. See,
This
can't
is
seem
not
to be
Hindu
able to
versus
hear
Will you
Islam.
condemn?
This is not Hinduism versus
She
Islam.
not condemning
Okay,
Sunni.
Ajoy,
She not condemning
Barkha.
Sunni. She not condemning Nassal.
Okay, Ajoy,
Are you hard of
Ajoy.
hearing?
Barkha, the first question is.
Ajoy, yes.
First question is the point is the BJP and the RSS, whenever they are weak on facts, will come on these ridiculous allegations, emotions. The same Congress, if they want, whether it is the Mumbai train blast, Simmi was involved, Indian Mujahideen was involved, action was taken against them. As Mr. Rai said, they went towards LET, that is what it looked like.
Okay.
And then it turned out to be Sunil Joshi, Asim Anand, Colonel Pragyan Thakur, and look at the way
Let me
NIA
give
and
the last
the
word to
way
Mr.
they have
Rai.
made the
Let me
DG
give
of
the last word to
NIA,
Mr. Rai.
contract labor,
Mr.
Mr.
Rai.
Sharad
And that
Kumar
is
is on
Malinaw.
extension.
Rai is
They are destroying every
one retired police officer is
Don't destroy
substituting the court,
institution,
NIA.
NIA and he are saying the same thing right now. Rakesh
In the rule of law,
Rakesh
it is
ji,
the court.
Rakesh
It is
ji,
NIA
अरे राकेश जी, राकेश मेरी बात तो
हो
सुन
गया।
लीजिए. अभी तक तो एनआईए और राय जी एक ही
आप
बात
सबसे
बोल
बड़े
रहे हैं.
देशद्रोही
तो
हैं,
ठीक
सर।
है
अभी अरे
मैं
stop
तो कह
it,
रहा
let's
हूं
stop
NIA
all
का इन्वेस्टिगेशन होने
चलिए
दीजिए ना।
लास्ट वर्ड
आप हिंदू टेररिज्म
आप
को एस्टैब्लिश करना
राकेश जी
है।
उन्हें तो बोलने
Certificate
दें.
देंगे।
अच्छा 1 minute on this thing of
And-
Ajoy, I have to ask the
and
question.
Sunil
now.
Joshi also
Ajoy, let me
RSS
ask the
the
question
moment he's
now.
cut-
Ajoy, Mr. Rai, you get the last word. You see, this is how it becomes political. The question is this: on the UN sanctions report that Mr. Rao referred to, on the Headley link, on the Kaswani angle, आप क्या कहेंगे? What would you say?
देखिए हेडली कसवानी यूएन रिपोर्ट ये हमारे इन्वेस्टिगेशन का हिस्सा नहीं था. 2010 तक में इन्वेस्टिगेशन से था, एसोसिएटेड था.
जी.
2007-8 तो बहुत एक्टिवली था.
जी.
9 में मॉनिटरिंग सीबीआई को चली जाती है. 10 के शुरू में मैं भी हरियाणा
जी.
से चला जाता हूँ.
जी.
आई गो आउट ऑन डेपुटेशन.
जी.
लेकिन मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ, मैंने
जी.
भी 35 साल पुलिस में गुजारे हैं.
जी.
हमारा जो सारा है, यू कैन चेक अबाउट माई सेल्फ इन द कार्डर माई रेपुटेशन एंड एज ए इन्वेस्टिगेटर एंड एज ए लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मैन.
जी.
हमारा इंटरेस्ट सिर्फ लॉ है और जस्टिस है, उसके अलावा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. और वरना बड़ा आसान था हमारे लिए. हम भी बड़े कुडोज ले सकते थे. 2-4 सिमी के पकड़ लो, जेल में तो बैठे हुए थे ना, पकड़ के ले आते. और कर लेते सब कुछ, वो तो बड़ा आसान काम था हमारे लिए, हम कर सकते थे। जो मक्का मस्जिद में हुआ एंड द वे दी गवर्नमेंट हैज सफर्ड इट्स क्रेडिबिलिटी, जिसमें आपने गलत लोग पकड़े, लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया, प्रोटेस्ट करके उन पर गोलियां चलाई गई, लोग मारे गए, और बाकायदा एक नार्को टेस्ट एक ऐसी महिला से कराया गया, एक प्रोफेसर से, जो कि पूरी की पूरी फेक थी, इनकी डिग्रियां फेक थी, और वो मुझे नार्को टेस्ट दिखाते थे, रिजल्ट दिखाते थे, और मैं कहता था भाई अगर
तो ये कसमानी का एंगल पे आप क्या बोलेंगे, जो फाइनेंसर जो जिससे अमेरिका से इंफॉर्मेशन मांगी है?
अरे साहब, कसमानी का एंगल इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ आवर इन्वेस्टिगेशन। मैं यही कहूँगा कि ये सब कुछ अगर बाद में शामिल हो रहा है, as far as I am concerned as investigator, I am 100% sure what I have investigated, the results that I produced, the file that I handed over to NIA, and I am very happy.
You stand by it?
Yes, I stand by it.
Closing comment.
Dow's money is influencing the investigation. A large number of people.
Sir, at the moment it is Mr. Eknath Khadse who's been connected to Dow's money, sir.
Dow's money is influencing the investigation.
Come on.
RSS money.
Because
Mr. Khadse is not a good time. Not a good time. Okay, I have to leave it here. I have to leave it here.
It is allegation by
What
the
about
United States and
Mr.
United
Sunil
Nations.
Joshi?
Okay, we will leave it here. We will leave it here. We will leave it here.
And
Allegations
what
are
about the
flying
allegation
thick and
against
fast.
What about the allegation against the RSS?
Mr. Rai is the
Made by
person.
Mr.
Mr. Rai is the officer who probed this report.
What about that? What
Mr.
about that
Rao,
evidence, sir?
Ajoy,
What about Sunil
Ajoy,
Joshi?
thank you. Mr. Rao has questioned Mr. Rai's political neutrality, but at the moment the NIA, even on the watch of this government, is saying exactly what Mr. Rai is saying. Mr. Rao, you want 10 seconds in there? 10 seconds? Yes, go ahead, Mr. Rao. I have to end.
I think the investigative agencies have certainly not covered themselves with glory, and Congress party, by politicizing terror and giving it a religious hue and using it as a political tool, I think they have destroyed.
I have to leave it here. I'm sorry. I do have to move on to my other big story
And
tonight.
therefore,
Mr. Rai,
people have no
I will
trust
have
in
to bring
them.
down all the shouting microphones now. Vrinda Grover,
What are you
Ajoy,
doing
Mr. Rao, Rakesh Sinha, and Mr. Rai. Thank you for coming out and reiterating what your testimony was in the Samjhauta probe, uncensored on this channel. Thank you so much.